Corvette Hop, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a video on replacing the spark plug wires on this 2014 Corvette. We're going to replace the spark plug wires with Granatelli high performance spark plug wires. With that, let's go ahead and get started. Let's compare the standard spark plug wires with high performance near zero ohm Granatelli spark plug wires. Now these are known to be near zero ohm resistance. Why is that important? Well, because ohms is the measurement for resistance. So if we got more resistance into our spark plug wire, that means less of a spark. So let's go ahead and see what the standard, this is what came out of the car. Let's see how many ohms it's measuring. Actually, let's do this. About 1.9, that's a pretty good amount of the resistance, 1.9. Now let's see how much resistance the Granatelli spark plug wire has. That is very, very good. So the less resistance, you'll have a better spark at the cylinder. Let's check another one. Look at there. Zero or near zero again. Just so happens these are zero. Time to start removing the spark plug wires. First, let's remove the fuel rail covers. Of course, they both just come right off. Next, we'll remove the lower fuel rail cover so we can get at the spark plug wires. This, of course, is the lower fuel rail cover. There are 2 torque screws on each lower fuel rail, and here are where the torque screws are located. And there's one on each side. Here we go, and you press in this right here, and it just pops off just like that. Now that we have these 2 torque screws loose, we can just work our way out of here. Now with the upper and lower fuel rails removed, we can go ahead and get at the spark plug wires. As you can see, they are right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then on the other side. And these are a little more difficult to get to. I did go ahead and remove the plenum cover for another project, so you won't need to do that. I'm now removing the top portion of the spark plug wire. Now the bottom half connected to the spark plug. Go ahead and remove all the other spark plug wires. Often a spark plug wire can be very difficult to remove near the spark plug. Use a pair of angle pliers in those hard to get to places. I found the most difficult one to reach on the C7 Corvette is the number 8 cylinder. I will go ahead and install the Granatelli spark plug wire in the reverse order that I removed the old spark plug wire. Go ahead and follow the same procedure for the remaining spark plug wires. Not much room to work with on the C7 Corvette. Go ahead and take your time and be patient. By the way, I did apply some dielectric grease on each end of the spark plug wire before I installed them. Once installed, go ahead and check all spark plug connectors to ensure that they are secure. Go ahead and check your area and make sure all lines and connectors are connected also. If you disconnected any of those lines on the passenger side of the engine like I did, make sure that all those are secure also. Just go ahead and start the engine and check operation. I hope you liked the video today. If you really like the channel, go ahead and subscribe right here. With that, keep the cars on the road.